Hello everyone, my name is AalishaDesai. My project name is Sudoku Generator and Sudoku Solver, which is a game development in Python language. First of all, let me show you how it is running. Okay, so this is Sudoku Generator, and here we can enter the numbers. This is the Sudoku Solver. Now first, let's peep into the code of Sudoku Generator. Import pygame. First of all, let me tell you why the libraries are useful. As we know that libraries and modules written in Python languages provides solutions for many problems in day-to-day life. Import pygame. It is a platform where one can use a set of Python modules to develop a game. It is easy for understanding and beginner-friendly platform that can help developing games quickly. Import request. It is a popular open source HTTP library which will help working with HTTP request. From matplotlib.animation, import func animation. It is a tool for animations which will help the game to look better. For now, I have commented the code import turtle and time, but you can do the animation if you want to. These are some of the line of code which will help to look the game better. Jumping up to the response and request, this is the link which will decide that which level of game should generate. For now, I have set one easy and one difficult. Grid original will make a 9x9 grid. Okay, so these are some of the common events which can occur in any game. For loop and if else statement will handle this. Quit function is sort of opposite of pygame.init function. It runs code that deactivates the library of pygame. Pygame.keydown. It is the event on pygame.event module which is used for interacting with events. Win.blit. Blit function is the position inside the window where we want the top left of the surface to be. This function says that the background surface and draw it on the screen at which the position is given. Set mode is when we have to initialize a window or screen for display. The only required in the argument in this function is a sequence containing the width and height of the new display mode. Here I have done width and width because we have to do a square. Display.setCaption will give the title of the game. The main objective of the game is to place the digits within the grid so that each column, row and subgrid contains all of the digits from 1 to 9. So for Sudoku here we have to make 9 rows and columns and this will create the boxes. Pygame.display.update is such that after you are done calling the drawing functions to make the display surface object the user want to. The user can call pygame.display.update to make the display surface actually appear on the user's monitor. Now the event is mouse button up. It is used for clicking. The insert function is used if the user want to insert the numbers in the boxes. Now the code is ready for the game to implement. Let's go to Sudoku Solver. First of all, let me tell you that why Sudoku Solver is important. Sudoku Solver is something that if the user can't solve the Sudoku game in some of the first tries, it will help the user to understand the game. Import NumPy. NumPy is a module which will help in numbers and it is something used for working with arrays. This is the question I have taken from Sudoku Generator. This for loop will check that if the number is present in the given row or not. The second for loop will check that if the number is present in the given column or not. And the third for loop will check that if the number is present in the given square or not. And if it is not present, if it is present, then it will return true. The code will take the help of backtracking if the number is present. This is the code for more possible solutions. So yeah, our game is ready. Thank you. The code is given in the description box below, and always be a learner.